To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to the Chats option. Swipe up to scroll down. At the bottom, you will find the new update, Private Processing. If it's not visible, please update WhatsApp to the latest version, as the feature may be rolling out gradually depending on your region or operating system. Now, tap on it. From the next screen, toggle the slider next to Private Processing. Read the description to understand how this feature works, then tap Continue to enable it. That's it. From now on, when you open a chat with many unread messages, WhatsApp will display a button labeled Summarize with Meta AI. If you tap on it, you will see a concise bullet point summary of the messages you missed. This feature helps you quickly catch up on unread messages by providing a clear, concise summary. Additionally, when replying, WhatsApp will suggest polished and formal reply options, saving you time and enhancing your communication with professional responses. So these are all the key things you need to know about using WhatsApp's new private processing feature.